Hey, what's going on, you guys? So I got you guys a quick video, show you guys how to take these off, change the motors, anything that has a blade, and a couple of tricks that I recently learned that I didn't know before. So one is we want to get this shaft as clean as possible. This motor isn't too old, so it's probably not going to need all of this. It's probably a little bit of an overkill, but I know that I've had previous motors that were just hard to get out, and this is the way that I found works the most. So the first thing you want to do is you actually want to use a lubricant, something that loosen up, get it nice, and so we're going to go ahead and make sure this works, and just kind of let it sit right, and then we're going to let that penetrate very well. And then next up is you can use sandpaper to clean the shaft, but what I'm going to use is I'm going to use this this wheel here, this brush wheel, and then I'm just going to go up and down and around to get that shaft nice and clean, make sure no rust prevents it from coming out. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. So I try to clean as much as I can around this, because this is going to be the first thing, that's going to be probably corroded and have rust, not corroded, but have rust in here, and it's going to be rusty. And so then the rest of what I did was the shaft. On my drill, sounds like the best option. I have this Milwaukee drill. The fastest option I found that just probably seems like it's more easier is this drill option, and it makes the wheel spin the fastest. I actually had it on hammer before I started, and that's why it sounded kind of weird. Then I put it on 16. But anyway, let's go ahead and see how it comes off. All right, so we got this lubricated. I actually had to press it down. I got stopped real quick by somebody else asking a question, so I had to stop the video. So the shaft is too long. What I'm actually going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just cut it so I can put on the pulley. But like I said, we clean it, lubricate it. I tapped it down actually for it to be able to, to know that it, it's able to move freely. So now we have all that clean. We're going to go ahead and grind it off. Now we just want to make sure it doesn't have any rough edges up here. There we go. I'm going to go ahead and tighten it up. What I normally do, I try to tighten all these evenly. Once I feel they're snug, I'm gonna go ahead and torque it down. Okay. And there we go. That's how you take it off. All right, last thing is we got to take these set screws off right here, and an 11/32. Make sure it's not tight. All right. this wire. All right, and that's how you take off your fan motor for your condenser unit.